All right, so anybody wants to see a demo? The live automated registration bot. Okay, cool. All right, so yeah, what you're seeing on the screen is my mobile, okay, my iPhone. As you can imagine, I'm going to show you right now. Right, imagine that I just tap on the Facebook ad, and the first message I receive is this, okay, an image, and it says, "Awesome, Peter, to begin your free event registration, please select the city you're in." Okay, if you ever want to unsubscribe, you can do so. So I select my city. Okay, follow along with me. Now you need to ignore the messages on top, because I have another app that basically, because I'm an admin, it keeps updating me of whatever is happening to my bot. Okay, so I'm always aware. So as you can see here, I have 2 rows of gallery cards, right? It's called card system. I can see San Francisco, San Diego. Can you see the way I'm interacting with this? Right? Isn't that interesting? On the second, well, the first row, what I did is that it's up to you how many rows of information you want to organize. It's totally up to you. The way I organize it is because I'm marketing so many different cities, right? I organize my US and my Canada cities on top row, because we have a lot of US cities running. And the second row, I'm putting the Asian city, the Australian city, as well as the New Zealand city, like that, okay? So it's totally up to you how you want to organize that. So let's just say that I'm going to select New York. So I just selected New York, and it gives me information here, right? Okay. Right, and you see that? Event schedule for New York, blah, 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 Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then I have 3 choices, right? Let's just say that I'm going to select Wednesday, May 1st. So what happens is that, please select your preferred session timing. So I'm going to select 6 p.m. Next, please confirm your valid email address to receive your e-ticket and special attendance bonuses. Right? Can you see my email over there? I don't even need to type in my email. I just need to tap to confirm. And I know for a fact that it's a valid email. Next, please provide your mobile number. I'm going to type my mobile number to confirm. And I'm capturing, you know what I'm capturing? I'm capturing all those data pretty much seamlessly. So the next thing I do is, it says, excellent, your registration to the free workshop is now confirmed. Can you see that? This is a confirmation, to give them immediate confirmation. And then I'm repeating the whole information for them again, which is name, email, mobile, city, session timing, and the date, and the venue address. Can you see how powerful this is? Right? I'm having all this information on my mobile. Very easy to find. Then I allow them to bring a friend, and if not, they say, I'm good, thanks. And then, I have a question, I can quickly come in and help them. Can you see how simple it is? Right?